All right, so since I know many of you are still struggling with support and resistance, on this Thursday, okay, we're going to be having, well, let's say instead of us having the perfect entry strategy slash the stay in your trade strategy training, we're going to have a support and resistance crash course. All right, that's going to be for those of you who are still struggling with finding support and resistance levels. I'm going to take you guys through a great crash course that's going to show you how to easily find support and resistance. Very simple and easy. Okay, so let's just get connected with me. And another thing, we have this promotion going on from Black Friday. So get connected. I mean, you're getting all the benefits right now. Learn how to get into your trade, staying in your trades, holding your trades for a long time, as I showed you guys on the GBP JPY. So learn the support and resistance concepts this Thursday. See you guys soon.